Apple's visionOS software development kit, SDK, is now available via Xcode 15 Beta 2. The SDK enables developers to create spatial computing apps that blend digital content with the real world. Apple will open developer labs in Cupertino, London, Munich, Shanghai, Singapore, and Tokyo next month to provide developers with hands-on experience on Vision Pro hardware. Developers will be able to apply for access to the visionOS SDK starting next month. Upside Foods and Good Meat have received approval from U.S. regulators to sell their cultivated chicken products within the U.S. The companies sell protein made from animal cells developed using a fermentation process involving bioreactors. Both companies will initially serve their food in restaurants. Cultivating meat is an expensive and time-consuming process, but some venture capitalists investing in the space remain confident. This article looks at the current state of genetic research, the potential applications of the technology, and developing technologies. Scientists have encoded more than 200 non-standard amino acids into proteins and hacked the genetic codes of nematode worms, fruit flies, plants, and mice. Protein synthesis technology can be used to encode new amino acids to create new therapeutics. New bases and codons can be used to replace redundant genetic code, effectively rendering cells immune to foreign DNA. Further development in this field could result in the creation of synthetic protein, like polymers. Figma's new Dev Mode is a workspace in Figma designed to get developers what they need when they need it. It allows developers to find and export all the information they need by hovering and clicking around the Figma canvas. Dev Mode connects tools and code components to the design file so that developers don't have to jump between design libraries, the codebase, and other project management tools. More details about Figma's new Dev Mode are available in the article. This article tells the story of how Waze was acquired by Google for $1.15 billion. It covers how Waze established a valuation framework, how they conducted strategic partner negotiations, how they handled an offer from Facebook, and lessons learned from the experience. Everything around acquisitions is personal, so it is important to clarify who the decision makers are and spend time building relationships. Founders should be wary of feedback from investors as the acquisition will cause them to have diverging interests. Building a sustainable and profitable business requires strong defensive moats. We are now undergoing a large platform shift as applications start being fueled by AI and data. This is making some existing moats useless, and it makes it seem like it's almost impossible to build a defensible business. This article looks at what the new moats are in the world of AI to help readers stay grounded as they navigate the current AI hype cycle. Apple is working on fitness apps for the Vision Pro, but it is hesitant to reveal the tech due to the device's external battery pack, risks of the front screen breaking if it hits furniture or a wall, and other limitations. Version Skew is when two or more distributed systems with a shared dependency get deployed. And because their mutual deployment isn't atomic, they temporarily operate at different versions. Dropbox is launching two AI-powered services on its platform. One is a tool for summarizing and querying documents, and the other is a universal search engine that can access personal Dropbox files and also the entire web. The search engine, Dash, will come as a desktop app and browser extension. Dash's browser extension uses stacks to organize files. Dropbox AI is now available to all Pro customers and a few teams. There is a waitlist to get into the Dash beta. This repository contains a getting started stack for AI in JavaScript. It includes image and text models, vector stores, auth, and deployment configs. A live demo is available. Secret Invasion, a new Marvel Cinematic Universe show on Disney+, used AI to help portray the concept of shape-shifting in its opening credits. vLLM is a library for LLM inference and serving with seamless integration with popular Hugging Face models, streaming outputs, and support for various decoding algorithms. Geohotz says GPT-4 is an 8-way mixture model with 220 billion parameters in each head. Some subreddits have classified themselves as not safe for work to protest Reddit's treatment of moderators, preventing Reddit from running ads on them and restricting them from being viewed by people who have not signed in.